Before we get started, I want to say this video is being sponsored by Woo's Hot Sauce. Woo's is a small batch brand based in Charleston, South Carolina. Their hot sauce is intentionally crafted with straightforward ingredients, resulting in big flavors. Some hot sauces can be overpowering, but Woo's hot sauce is not overwhelming to the eaters. This hot sauce is good on just about anything coming out of your kitchen. Wings, tacos, veggies, breakfast eggs, pizzas, you name it, and Woo's will taste good on it. So far, they have 3 flavors of hot sauce. The Ultimate Hot Sauce, which is a tangy medium hot blend of arbol and Cayenne peppers, mixed with a hint of garlic and spices, and it's just enough heat just to make you go, oh heck, but not numb your tongue. Next, they have their Hurricane Sauce, a hot blend of arbol and Cayenne peppers, mixed with a hint of garlic and spices. And what I specifically like about this sauce, it has a balanced heat, which you can handle. And the third flavor is Good Luck. We already know where this is going. It's a fiery, sizzling hot blend of arbol and Cayenne peppers mixed with a hint of garlic spices. Man, listen, this sauce cranks the heat up, but without going totally off the charts. And right now, Woo's is offering their Hot Licks sampler set, which means you get all 3 for 50% off plus free shipping for the first week following this video. All you need to do is use the coupon code ALLWINGS50 to take advantage of this offer. Trust me, you'll love this hot sauce. I'll leave everything in the video description below for you guys to check out. So let's go ahead and get into this video. You seen the title, you seen the thumbnail. We're about to make some original buffalo wings, but we're gonna use Woo's hot sauce. I know you guys are gonna enjoy this one. Let's go. All right, guys, so here are the ingredients we're gonna use for today's amazing buffalo wings by Woo's. I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna use. Quick roll call. We got our wings here, of course. We're gonna use some baking powder, some garlic powder, a little olive oil, some black pepper, got a little Creole seasoning here. And right here, we have some hot smoked paprika. Now, if you don't have the spicy hot paprika, use your little cayenne pepper and some smoked paprika. And right here, we're gonna use Woo's Ultimate Hot Sauce. Now, this version is their heck version. So they have a mild, medium, a heck, a hot, and a what the hell version? So we're gonna use the heck version, but I wanna kind of really get a feel of this hot sauce so I give you guys a true review on how it tastes. And guys, I can't wait to taste it. I haven't even tried it, but I'm gonna let you guys know exactly how it tastes. All right, so let's go ahead and get started. All right, so to get started, we're just gonna start preparing our chicken. So all our ingredients, we're just gonna add them to this bowl with our chicken. So we're gonna start with our olive oil. And this is very, very simple, guys. Our garlic powder, our smoked paprika, Creole seasoning, black pepper, our baking powder, and lastly, what we're gonna do is we're gonna add a tablespoon of our Woo's hot sauce, just like that. And we're gonna get this baby a mix. Get all this mixed together, make sure we get all these wings covered in that goodness, just like that. All right, so now what we're gonna do is preheat our air fryer so we can start adding our chicken onto the grates. That way we can go ahead and get them cooking. Now that we've preheated our air fryer, I've already placed our chicken pieces onto our grates. And what we're gonna do is we're gonna push this in here. I'm gonna close this. And guys, I love this air fryer here. This is the Paris Rhone air fryer. And guys, I'm gonna leave a link to this down in the video description below so you guys can check it out. We're going to place this on air fry. It's already on air fry. And we're gonna leave them in here for 20 to 22 minutes. I'm gonna start off with 20 minutes. Then we're gonna flip them over midway through the process, all right? So let's go ahead and get this started. All right, so we are 10 minutes in. I'm gonna pull this out and we're gonna start turning these babies over to the other side because we are halfway there. And guys, I did grease my grates just so you know, so our chicken won't stick to the grates. All right, so now we're gonna push them back in. We're gonna let them go for another 10 minutes or 10 to 12 minutes until we get them to our desired doneness, whether it's crispy, extra crispy, however you wanna do it, guys. So let's go ahead and get them back started for the last 10 minutes. All right, so we are 20 minutes total in. Let's pull this out and see what we got. Guys, take a look at what we have right here. Just like I like them, crispy. Oh man, that's why you need to add that baking powder and some of that olive oil. It helps to get that crisp. So now let's go and add them to our bowl, and we're gonna get these babies sauced up, all right? All right, so now that our wings in the bowl, it's time to get them sauced up. And remember, we're using our Woo's Ultimate Hot Sauce. And what I like about this right here, this particular hot sauce, it's already ready for your buffalo wings. You don't have to add any butter, no garlic powder. Man, this stuff is already ready. So let's go ahead and make this happen. And now we're gonna get them moved around in here. And of course, you can toss them up if you want to, guys. That's fine. Kind of get them moved around. Oh man, take a look at that. All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and get these plated up, and we're gonna go into our final presentation so we can get into quality control. And there you have it, guys. Original buffalo wings using our Woo's Ultimate Hot Sauce. Guys, I'm gonna leave the measurements in the video description below. Also, tell me what you think about this recipe. Leave that in the comment section below. Let's get the conversation started right here. And guys, remember, this video is sponsored by Woo's. I don't know right now how good this hot sauce is, but I'm gonna let you know in exactly less than a minute. So let's go ahead and get into quality control because I'm ready to test it out and get my feedback. Let's go. All right, so we're back here for quality control. Man, y'all know I love wings, but not many people realize that original buffalo is my favorite flavored wing. I know a lot of people think it's that lemon pepper, because I always talk about lemon pepper, but this buffalo is my favorite. So let's go ahead and try this out with that Woo's hot sauce. Oh man, let's see. Let's see if it's what it's all is cracked up to be. Let's see. Hey, y'all know it's hard to get me to wing heaven, but I think I'm going to wing heaven. Let's try this again to make sure. Oh man, this is delicious. And I love the sauce. When it said it burns like heck, but not like hell. To me, this is a pretty mild sauce. This one here, the Ultimate Hot Sauce. I mean, it has the same level of heat as like a regular hot sauce, but that's what I wanted. Like, I wanted to taste the regular hot sauce first so I could really get a taste of what this product is like. Then we'll go into the real spicy, because once you start adding all those different spices and heating it up, you can get away from what the hot sauce truly tastes like. So that's why I wanted to go with the regular version first. And it is delicious, guys. Trust me, it is really delicious. So those who know me, they know that I love me some Louisiana hot sauce. That's what we use down south. Other people like that Texas Pete or that Frank's. I like all those too, and I use them to make some of my recipes. But Louisiana is my favorite hot sauce. Like if I'm just tossing it on some like greens or cabbage or whatever, chicken, it doesn't matter. I use that Louisiana. But this right here, man, it's moving up the ladder, guys. So Woo's, holla at the Wing King. You know what I'm saying? Holla at me. So until then, I'm your cook, Spinelli. This is All Wings Everything. And remember, this video is sponsored by Woo's. And also remember, I ain't no chef. I just cook a lot. And now I'm out. Peace.